Thanks for stopping by. I'm sure we all get tired of the cigar lighter plug-in, the wire running all the way around when you don't really want that kind of length. So plug it into your courtesy light. Of course, you're going to lose the courtesy light. This is the idea that my nephew told me. Use one of these converters from 12 volt to 5 volt. Just make sure you use a voltmeter to find out which is the positive and negative. Then it comes out to a USB, and then you can plug in your action camera or your dash cam. Personally, I just like using a action camera, and it works quite well just putting it on the back driver's side. But since the wires are on this side, the plug-ins, I just reverse the image. So that's really all you have to do to not have to use a cigar lighter for your dash cam.